get a lot of speed on your turn. The next moment, if you go faster than the music, hold the music. It's light and shaded. You actually make the turn faster by taking a breath at the end of it.
Yeah,
Quick, and then just
previous to something faster than you think. As long as I just say
I do the same thing again. Do it normal time. 2, 3, quick, turn, step, quick. That's perfect rhythm. Now what she's going to do is she's going to speed up the first half, go twice as fast, but hold the second half to make up the music, and it will just light and dark. Quick, 2, 3, quick, 2, 3, quick, 2, 3, quick, 2, 3, quick. So now, if she kept going fast, it's a little frantic. Here it's like, you have light and dark of everything. That's the secret what pros end up doing all the time. It's not like you're just spinning fast. You need something slow and something fast. It's like a good photographer, good photograph. If it's all too light, it's all whited out. If it's all too dark, it's all black. You need light and dark. You need shadowing of everything. Okay, thank you, ladies and gentlemen.